Hi everybody, welcome to Royal Enfield Boston. My name is Daryl and I want to show you a motorcycle that we just finished putting together. This is a 2020 Royal Enfield Himalayan, but we put a couple of custom touches on it to kind of make it our own. This is our little adventure package. So along with the 410cc single cylinder engine that the Himalayan has, the guards that come standard on it, as well as the rear rack, we've added these panniers. They are from Royal Enfield. They're lockable, open up, plenty of room in there, and they're easily detachable. Next, we've added these hand guards. Bark busters, they mount on the ends of the bars, so that way they have no interference with any of the cables, any of the routing of the brake master cylinder, anything like that. Fit really nice. Third thing is we've added these LED fork lights. Nice little neat little LEDs. We have them keyed. Give it a little bit more lights. And you'll also notice in the headlight there's an LED bulb as well. So can never have too much lighting on a bike like this, because you're going to be wanting to get off on some trails and dirt roads and things like that, and it's always better to have a little bit more lighting, and you're going to want to take stuff with you when you go. So we have the Himalayan set up in stock configuration, as well as any or all of these accessories, and we'll have more accessories as we go. So if you need any information about this bike or anything else that we have, please contact us. My name is Daryl, and don't forget to like our video. Have a great day.